Hi, this is Jason with RalliTEK Performance, and we're excited to introduce a new product to everyone in the community. This is our Extreme Skid Plate. We here at RalliTEK have been doing skid plates now for 20 years, so this is a pretty awesome moment for us as we're about to bring forth one of our newest additions to skid plates. Over the years, we've learned a lot about underbody protection, and we've been providing that specifically for the Subaru community, like I said, for 20 years. So with this newest edition of the RalliTEK Extreme Skid Plate, got a couple examples right here for everybody to take a look at. This skid plate, our traditional skid plate, is 1/8 aluminum, and this newest version is a 1/4 inch aluminum. We've learned from many years of testing that the key components to an effective skid plate are good coverage. So a lot of people think just about covering the oil pan and protecting the oil pan, which is absolutely critical, but there's more going on the underside of your car in the way of your exhaust system, your exhaust manifold, your O2 sensors, your catalytic converter. And so one of the things that we've really focused on over the years is providing the broadest and biggest coverage to your underbody panel protection. Subarus come often with a plastic covering, and this does a couple of things. It helps to protect the sensors and key components. It doesn't offer a lot in the way of hard impact coverage that you would expect out of a skid plate, but it also protects from when you're parking on grass. So grass fires is a big issue, and so one of the reasons that Subaru does that underbody protection the way to do is to help prevent fires. We here at RalliTEK have always been doing a very large coverage on our skid plates for the very same reasons. Another key component to our skid plates is we try to maintain the best ground clearance. So these vehicles, being what they are, being able to get every bit of ground clearance you can when you approach obstacles. And so we tuck our skid plates up high. We try to maintain a 1/4 inch of clearance where those key components are, like the oil pan I was talking about, the exhaust manifold, catalytic converters. And so that tight clearances that we're maintaining with the skid plate, along with having this really broad coverage, allows for us to have what we feel like is one of the best offerings in the way of skid plates on the market. Another key component to our skid plates in this newest feature of this Extreme is we have access covers, so you can be able to do your oil change. They're completely flush mounted, which is really nice feature. And we are also tying into your fender liners. In this example right here, we're able to tie in. This provides some side coverage, so as sticks come in or any other debris comes in as you're offering, this will allow you to tie in your fender liners. We've kind of listened to our customers, and they've asked us about being able to tie in to that fender liner, so we've made a provision where you can tie into that. The big thing for us is just being able to get these so that they package well, they ship well, we can keep shipping costs down for you as well, and we can get you a great product that gives you the best coverage on the market with the best ground clearance. Our current fitments that we're excited to launch here for the holiday seasons is the 2022 to 2025 Outback Wilderness, the new Forester Wilderness, which is the 2022 to 2024, and the Crosstrek Wilderness in the 2024 to 2025. All three of these models are going to have transmission skid plates offerings as well, and then we have our 14 to 18 Forester XT, and these are our current offerings in the Extreme Skid Plate, and we will continue to develop the Extreme Skid Plates for other Subaru models. We really appreciate you guys watching today, tuning in and listening, and seeing our new product launch. We are really excited about this Extreme Skid Plate, and this is just complements our other underbody protection components that we have in the way of gas tank skid plates for some models, rear differential skid plates, and then our rock sliders. We at RalliTEK are really passionate about Subarus. That's all we do here. That's all the parts that we develop is solely for you individuals out there that love and drive your Subarus. Like I said, we've been doing this now for over 20 years, and we're excited to launch this newest addition to our skid plate family.